हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माई सेल्फ प्रिया सैनी और आपका मेरे चैनल जर्नी ऑफ फेम में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि अभी हाल ही में एक कंपटीशन होने जा रहा है जिसमें जो टॉपिक मिला है वो वैचारिक प्रदूषण, आइडियोलॉजी पॉल्यूशन मिला है। इससे पहले मैंने इसका हिंदी वर्जन अपलोड किया था जिसमें मेरे पास बहुत सारे बच्चों के कमेंट आए कि मैम इसे इंग्लिश वर्जन में भी हमें प्रोवाइड कीजिए। तो उसी को देखते हुए मैंने उसका ये इंग्लिश वर्जन तैयार किया है जिसमें आपको टोटल ऐसे इंग्लिश में प्रोवाइड होगा। दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए देखते हैं। Ideology pollution, the main reason of all evils. Different pollution are developing in the lap of motherland. Water, fire and air. You have heard one new has been discovered. There is a deep bonding of human and nature. Human are dependent on nature for small things. As you have heard, nature give us all the things. We should learn to give something to nature. Sun provide is light, air gives us new life. To remove hunger, we do agriculture on the earth. Let us think whether we had give something to nature except pollution. We had only just destroyed our water, soil, voice, and air. Apart from this, there is a very dangerous and harmful pollution. Ideology pollution, which had been grown like a sweetened poison, which is a good, but the result is very terrible. As many evils are grown in our society. Then we write a quotation: 10-headed as Ravana, spreading as riots, terrorism and fuss. It stop not will take away human race. This is ideological pollution born on the earth. Then, ideology pollution is the main source of evils. Human is known as the thoughtful creator. Human thought can make him Vivekanand, Buddha, Sharad, Ram or Krishna. As well as the human's thought can also make them such as evil creator like Ravana. In day-to-day life, human thinking is rotten, which is making human like a hollow. If the ideology pollution is called the main source of all pollution, it will not be a exaggeration, as there will be the human mind, same will be his action or work. Because of the human selfishness, air, water, voice and the soil are getting affected badly and terribly. If we if we see in our day-to-day life, this is a chance to use the Gandhi's three monkeys, which give us the message which says that don't see bad, don't see listen bad, and don't be a bad. Because as what a person says, hears, he difference it is in mind. Ideological pollution is like a pollution which is making a home or humans due to which humans becoming enemy of human beings. The riots are happening everywhere. Little girls are being raped. Politicians bride corrupted due to their own selfishness, and which will be more terrible is death for the selfishness of the son. In the womb of the mother, the daughter is destroyed. Whenever we look, it seems that the garments are ripped off. The influence of these recrum is degenerating to our thoughts and the morality. Not only the outbreak of this is not limited by the month, but it is not limited by the month, but it is also ruining the family relationships. Our future generation is moving ahead by offering the same thing. inside itself, and the heart wakes up to think that if it is not stopped, then perhaps the result will be something like this. Mother should not be worshipped. Where daughter is above is. Humans here, humans enemy. Life will also burn humanity. तो यहाँ आप ऐसे एक कोटेशन लिख सकते हैं. Therefore, looking at the present circumstances today, there is need again to follow the path of Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya. First of all, we have to abandon the feeling of we, because we comes empty hand, we will go empty handed. Just live our lives. Let us take analysis aside. All of us, we have to remove evils such as a terror, corruptions, etc. As it is only possible to incorrupt the virtues of public obedience, etc., and defeat our flowering ideas for ideological pollution and sweet voice. तो आप यहाँ पे एक ऐसे आपका यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाता है. एट एंड यू कैन राइट अ कोटेशन लाइक दिस: क्लीन माई माइंड, थॉट्स शुड बी प्योर, द फ्लावर्स ऑफ स्वीट स्पीच विल बी ब्राइट एंड ब्राइट हेयर. तो ऐसे आप अपना जो ऐसे है उसका एंड कर सकते हैं. दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरा ये ऐसे पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक माय चैनल और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मुझे अपना सपोर्ट करने का प्रयास करें. सिर्फ मेरी आपसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है दोस्तों. और आपको किसी भी टॉपिक पर ऐसे चाहिए तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. तो मैं आपकी 100% अपनी तरफ से हेल्प करने की कोशिश करूँगी. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.